Alright, what's going on, people? Here with another breakdown reassembly from P.I.H.I.G Defense. If you like what you see, like, share, subscribe. Alright, today I'm going to be breaking down a Beretta Px4 Storm. This particular firearm is a 40 caliber. Alright, first I'm going to point out a few key buttons and levers that are important to know when you're breaking down this particular firearm. Here you have your magazine release button, your slide stop, and then here you have your decocking lever, which is on both sides of the firearm. First thing you want to do, making sure that the firearm is clear. So by doing that, keep my finger off the trigger, press my magazine release button, magazine clear. Next, we're gonna pull the slide back and look into the inside of the firearm. And to make it easy, you can always pull the slide back, push your slide stop up. Now, without having to pull on the slide, I can look in and examine and make sure the firearm is clear. Okay, nothing in there. Clear. Okay, now that I have my slide back and I've identified that my firearm is clear, now by pulling with my thumb and my index finger over here on this side, pull the lever down, hit my slide stop. Okay, frame, recoil spring, and barrel. And you're done. Putting it back together. I'm gonna slide, barrel in. This particular barrel has to be turned like so. You can see that little notch there. Because when you put your recoil spring in, here we go, has to line up with that notch. Come back with your frame, line it up. And you're done. If you like what you've seen, like, share, subscribe.